guys, welcome back my amni channel. So good morning, bom dia. Yan é domingo, hoje lorong domingo, ame tuba missa. Ame pronto hotona, missa hotu. How mai tem, how tu mai hasai amnia Christmas tree. I see you. 5 little ducks went out one day. And far away. So kami lau ba igreja na. Amne radio kik maliang helene. Huh?
You have to get her a school jumper.
Yeah, I know. Go to school next on September.
1st of September.
Yes. It's gonna be fun. Hello.
Hi guys, so we just finished church. So guys, we just finished church and now we are at
Bia, milau bukalai kurtina dapurnya. Kuan. Bi. Buka espelho tahu yang melarang. Feita. Nemos dia.
Why do you need big nose? You can get this one.
Put in the corridor.
Yeah. Oh, corridor. I know. Oh, fun. We should get this and take a picture of us and then all of us can.
Yes.
Well, you could put my picture in this frame.
Only you?
No, wait, my picture I drew. I
Ah.
got one. It's like this. It's this way. It's like this way.
Wala sini hang atuba sekolah niya. Ice cream eh?
Yes.
Huh?
It's so cold. Please.
Or we could get Dossie.
Let's just get it ice cream. Let's just get ice cream. Can we get this fruit? Ice cream. Can we get the ice cream?
So, oin lorong maliring bag. Maliring lotok. Halo ini semua. Nih ke sekolah halo tiang sana.
You're actually invading my personal space.
Go home.
Yes.
Yes. It's very cold. Maliring lotok. Look at that.
First, imagine you go swimming.
Hey guys, so we're back and it's the evening and we are taking the Christmas tree down. It's Sunday, going upstairs. So my mum's in there and she's lifting the Christmas box.
I'm taking the Christmas tree down, oh my guys.
Yep.
Okay, and then you go to attic room.
Oh, I want to go up there.
So, tambah rumah namanya Christmas tree. Arvóre Natal. Rumah jam, ini jam 7 na tama amin. Tobat gelai, barato rumah. Okay lah. I'm not fingader. Woi! What?
Leslie, Elf.
Elf, we're gonna tidy up.
ready!
We're gonna tidy up. Elf!
Elf, bye bye.
Wait.
See you next in 11.
Okay.
How many do we each get?
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Can we open this?
Sirahan la pizza. Eat first and then drink.
9. We each get 3.
Yes.
So, biasa na say árvore Natal dia 6. Hoje dia 7, a minha babá 7 magfilme outra sai. Lorong sa. Turai nan tolo.
The three wise men.
The three wise men, ya lorong. E agora dia 7 não vai sair. Broken because of you guys. Okay. Yes.
Wait, whose are they?
Bota dia. So agora takan ahi. Who's gonna turn off the Christmas light? I wanna take it down. Come on. Oh, see you on December.
Open it again.
Gostu, you still literally let her go.
Psych.
Okay. I'm gonna take it down now. Let me put the camera here. I'm gonna put it up.
Guys, we are bringing up. We are bringing up all of the Christmas stuff.
Santa's coming.
So
Santa's coming with his.
it's
With
going to be
her.
like.
Guys, I cut myself.
No, you're gonna
Look at that.
It's actually that way. It's so
Look at I nigga.
I'm a yeti.
Yeah. Christmas tree.
Venantia, is it cold up there?
Yeah.
Maybe. Thought so.
Ah, so cold.
I'd love to.
The lid's not on properly.
Lola, we playing your pop top. When I popped up, baby. When I popped up, baby.
Ayana. So may abong mahuto na ya atik room. Everything in here. Thank you for watching, guys.
See you in our next video.
Wait, is that one? What kind of pen is that?
Costco.
Is the one that is DHT has?
Wait.
And
Where is it?
So guys,
Mommy, you don't want to break that.
we just came back down from the attic, and now we are going downstairs.
Mommy.
My mum's putting another one. Sugar. Water. Whoa. Pink water. Great. My mum's pouring it in now. Guys, the jelly is ready.
So small.
Results, it's so small. It's not what I expected. I thought it was going to be big. Test
Why is that
try.
so small?
It's so small. It wasn't what I was expecting. Eat. Can I eat? It's good. Tastes strawberry, like strawberry.
Thank you. Bye bye.